In this video, I'm just going to show off a little dmenu file picker script that I made as an exercise for learning Bash, and I'm also going to probably be hacking in some functionality for this file picker in tiny file dialogues, which is a library I've used in the past, and I'm probably going to butcher it by doing this, but so first of all, I'm going to just show off the script. Oops. Here we go. It's just this. It's not very good. I plan on expanding it further and adding flags like Zenity has, like the exact flags that Zenity has, because I plan on having this be a drop-in replacement for Zenity. So if you use it, if you run it, you can choose a file and it'll just print it to standard out. You could use it like this. Oops. And play a video or something. That's really all it can do right now. It can go back directories, of course. You saw that in the code if you read it. And I'm just gonna hack some functionality in tiny file dialogues here. I have a test file that I already wrote. I already read a little bit of the tiny file dialogues source code, so I expect this to be pretty easy to implement. And this just opens a file dialog and prints the path and returns. I remember it's called like tinyfd underscore open file dialog, and it's a char, and it's this one. Yeah, for some reason there's two. I don't know why you'd write like that, but to each their own, I suppose. And we go down, and there are these checks for Zenity, mate dialog, elementary, and karma. I'm just going to add my own here, tfd underscore dmenu fp present. And here there's a priority. See, the first priority is Zenity, then mate dialog, and so on. And I'm just going to add an else if and just make mine the top priority. And I'm going to tfd dmenu fp present. And I'm just going to copy this one, the mate dialog one, because it looks the simplest to me. I'm going to change these two from mate dialog to dmenu fp, dmenu fp, and I believe all of these are just the same. All of these functions are just the same, except they call it with a different string. I'm just going to go to the definition of this. And yeah, you see different string and different variables. For some reason, different indenting. I have no clue why. But I'm just going to copy. Ooh, what am I doing? I'm just going to copy this one and paste it. Change it to that. Change the variable, I guess. dmenu fp present. Actually, I'm going to just find and replace. I'm going to do that. And I wonder if this is enough for it to work, so I'm going to try that. And oh, it is enough for it to work. That's nice. I don't have, yeah, this is all test.c is. Just prints the path, and you can see if I do this, if you go back and choose Blade Unreal, it should work. Yep, it does work. So that's all it took to hack in functionality, and I don't even really understand this code base. I just sort of grepped around before I recorded the video to see just the general structure so I didn't waste a bunch of time, and I found this function and these functions, and they all just call it, they do the same thing, and for some reason they have different indentations, because why not? Or different indentation levels. This is 4 and this is 8 for some reason, and I didn't retab it. I'm just gonna retab it because I hate tabs. I love spaces. Okay, that's all. Goodbye.